Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my normal cleaning routine. We are cleaning the downstairs of the home, the kitchen, and the living room where we spend most of our time and where I spend most of my time cleaning up, picking up things. Let me know in the comments down below, how often do you spend cleaning your kitchen and your living room, your living area, your family room? Let me know, because I feel like I could clean it all day, every day, and I still would need to clean it more. There's never enough cleaning that I could do to it. So let me know down below if I am alone or if I'm not. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure if you do enjoy it, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Click the bell below so that YouTube sends you a notification when I upload a new video, and share this with anybody who needs some cleaning motivation. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can join the fam. I'd love to have you. Stay blessed and keep watching. Okay, Google, play Tamala Man.
That artist is only available for Google Play Music subscribers. But try this Google Play Music Tamala Man station.
water bottle that's in my dish soap right now. It is 1 gallon and it has little time markers that tells you little motivational sayings that say like, good morning, keep going, no excuses, you got this, so I can get all my water in a day. And I can definitely say it's helped motivate me. I like cute pink or gold things that help me do what I need to do. If you guys are interested in any of the cleaning products that you see me use in this video, I will link down below my cleaning supplies haul that I did in January that shows pretty much every cleaning product that I use around my house, so make sure you check that out. Okay, so it's my son's job to take out the recyclables and the trash, but he had some teeth pulled, so I'm giving him a little bit of a So for those of you who've seen my spring clean and decorate with me in this area of the house, you notice that there is something missing. The bunny pillow that was super cute. My son sat next to it and I think he kicked it or something, and immediately one of the poofs came off, and I realized that they were not sewn in, they were glued on. So I returned them because no way I was going to sit there and continuously glue back on bunny tails, so the pillow had to go back. Okay, So for the most part, he's supposed to be taking it easy. Throwing himself on the ground, not so much taking it easy. Boys. Generally, I do have him helping out a little bit more, but because he had a rough day, I let him just kick back and relax and play Xbox. So he definitely loves to sit on this game any chance that he gets. So he's taking full advantage of playing. I think he's playing NBA 2K. He wants some new games, but I told him play the ones that you have. He has a million of them. How many of you have kids who want games and games and games and games and games? I'm sure you do. I know my kid's not the only one. But he enjoyed some gaming for a bit while I got this cleaning done. And the rest of the night we watched some movies and just hung out on the couch. So it was a nice, relaxing evening. I want to thank you guys so much for continually supporting my channel, coming back for cleaning motivation. I hope that you continue to do so. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, share. This little booger won't move his feet out of the way. um, and thanks for watching. Stay blessed.